My name's Vaere, I'm an artist at Arts for Health. I've been coming to Arts for Health almost a year. Finding it fun, I love playing with paint and meeting new people. Yeah, that's fun. I just love slapping it on and just seeing the different techniques and just watching it splatter and making a mess, I guess. I used to love tramping, I used to go a lot of tramping. I used to like going camping. Because I lived in Nelson for about 7 years. Those were really cool mountains to climb. My nickname was Mountain Goat. I run up and down the hills and Monet and Picasso. I just like the colours. Monet was known as the father of light because he would do the same paintings but different colours, different times of the day. I just like painting. Improve to everyone that people with disabilities can do anything and they put their mind to it.